Kayla, how are you today?
I'm good.
That's great. Kayla, I have a question for you. Where do you yawn a lot?
I am a lot in academies.
Uh-huh. Which academies do you yawn a lot at?
I am a lot at English Academy.
Are you lying?
No.
Okay, when do you yawn a lot?
I am a lot when I am sleepy.
Mm-hmm. And what causes yawning?
We yawn when we need to cool down our brain.
Mm-hmm. And do you think you yawn when you see someone else yawning?
No, because when I saw someone yawning, I didn't yawn.
You didn't yawn? Okay, great. And do you think that yawning is contagious?
No.
You don't think it's contagious. What are some other things that are contagious?
I think disease like COVID and flu are contagious.
Okay, great job. Thank you for your answers today, Kayla. Hello, Bella. How are you today?
I'm good, thank you.
That's great. Bella, where do you yawn a lot?
I yawn a lot at academies.
Okay, which academies do you yawn a lot at?
Jin academies, Korean class.
In English class?
Also,
Really?
yes.
Okay, fair enough. Okay, when do you yawn a lot?
I often yawn in the evening or at dawn.
Oh, okay. What do you think causes yawning, Bella?
I think we yawn because our brains need to cool down.
Okay, and do you yawn when you see someone else yawning?
Yes, but just sometimes.
Mm-hmm. Do you, yeah,
Yes,
that's it. Do you think that yawning is contagious?
I don't think so because I think most people yawn when they are tired or bored.
Okay, and what are some other things that you think are contagious, Bella?
Diseases or colds are contagious.
Great, thanks for your time today. Yunso, how are you today?
I'm fine, thank you.
That's great. Yunso, where do you yawn a lot?
I yawn a lot at my school.
Okay, and when do you yawn a lot?
I yawn a lot when I am learning science or math.
Oh, I see. Not English, right?
Yes.
Aha, good answer. Okay, so Yunso, what causes yawning?
I think yawn is caused when our brains are hot
Yeah?
and when it needs to cool down.
Wow, awesome answer. Okay, and do you yawn when you see someone else yawning?
Yes, but not all times.
Okay. Do you think that yawning is contagious?
Yes, I think yawn is contagious.
Okay. What are some other things that are contagious, Yunso?
I think diseases are contagious and anger is contagious too.
Okay, great answers today. Julie, how are you today?
I'm good, thank you.
That's great. Julie, where do you yawn a lot?
I yawn a lot at schools and academies.
Okay, which academies do you yawn at?
Math academies and English academies.
Oh, I see. Ouch, ouch. When do you yawn a lot?
I yawn a lot at between 5 p.m. to 8 p.m.
Okay, great. What causes yawning, Julie?
We yawn to cool down our brains.
Nice. Okay, and do you yawn when you see someone else yawning?
Sometimes I yawn when I saw someone yawning, but sometimes I don't.
Okay. So do you think that yawning is contagious?
Yes, I do.
Okay.
Yes, I do.
Yeah. And what are some other things that are contagious, Julie?
Diseases such as COVID-19 and cold are contagious too.
Okay, great answers today, Julie. That's right. Hi, Soha. How are you today?
I'm good, thank you.
That's great. Where is a place that you yawn a lot?
I think I yawn a lot at my school.
Oh, really? Okay. And when do you yawn a lot?
I think I yawn a lot between 7 p.m. to 9 p.m.
Okay. And what do you think causes yawning?
I think the cause of yawning is when our brains need to cool down.
Okay. And do you yawn when you see someone else yawning?
Yes, because I have an experience that I yawn after I see my friend yawn.
Oh, really? No way. Okay. And do you think that yawning is contagious?
Yes,
Okay.
I think yawning is contagious.
Okay, great. And what are some other things that are contagious?
Diseases like COVID-19
Mm-hmm.
and cold are also contagious too.
Okay, awesome. Thank you so much for your time. Bye.